The crypto circle is advancing quick, and financial backers are anxious to capitalize on each open door that comes their direction. Truly, this comes as a moderately sluggish change in reception, given the first crypto was sent off in 2009. Be that as it may, keeping a hopeful point of view toward these turns of events, suppose slow on the uptake, but still good enough. Developing revenue and mindfulness about the crypto business have collected a lot of help from financial backers searching for new open doors. Thus, the quantity of crypto trades and digital forms of money is expanding day to day. In any case, with this large number of decisions accessible on the lookout, how do you have any idea about which crypto to put resources into? Finding the right solution to this question requires exertion regarding research and getting a superior comprehension of the crypto world. Yet, luckily, you have us to do all that and give you the right and brief data you should be aware. So, this video will walk you through the presentation of one of the main players in the crypto market, Balancer. Many individuals are keen on putting resources into Balancer, but on the other hand are uncertain somewhat. So here, we will investigate the value expectation of Balancer and assist you with deciding whether this is an ideal choice for your portfolio. So we should get everything rolling right away. BAL token value history and outline. Balancer began its excursion as a brooded project by Block Science in 2018. Nonetheless, a later parted in this joint effort led to another organization called Balancer Labs. The novel part of this stage was it permitted financial backers to add liquidity to a pool in light of their terms. This made computerized market production pools with various adjustable resources and loads. Things happened for a long while until Balancer delivered its local token, Balancer Token, in June 2020. This came after the achievement saw by the Compounds token known as COMP. This improvement upgraded decentralization and boosted individuals to add liquidity to the pools. You will be compensated in BAL when you add liquidity to the pool. 100 million Balancer tokens were made at first, with 25 million held as a hold for the center engineers, group, financial backers, and consultants. 5 million Balancer tokens were designated to the Balancer environment asset, which was to be utilized for boosting vital accomplices. Another 5 million Balancer tokens were saved aside for raising money to help the stage's development. The excess tokens were left for liquidity suppliers who could mine them from the stage. These tokens were delivered at 145,000 consistently. In the event that the circulation rate stays consistent, it will take around 8 to 9 years to wrap up dispersing every one of the token. The Balancer token was at first sent off for $6.65. And the worth took off colossally in only one day, arriving at a faltering $22. 2020 was pretty much perfect for the Balancer token, as its cost found the middle value of around $15.89. This is additionally when the Balancer token encountered its absolute first bullish run that began the 18th of July 2020 and finished on the 2nd of September 2020. During this brief period, BAL's cost took off more than ever, bringing about an uncommon return of 324.5%. The symbolics value took off to a limit of $37.23 and at least $8.39. This is an outstanding presentation contrasted with most other DeFi tokens. Then, at that point, came 2021, what began as an incredible year for the Balancer token. The bullish run that started on the 5th of November 2020 went on till the 4th of May 2021. Most authorities on the matter would agree. This was a critical improvement for the Balancer token as its cost expanded from $8.76 to $72.10. This implied regardless of weather for a brief period. The bullish run of the Balancer token empowered it to produce an alluring return of an incredible 723%. Toward the finish of 2021, Balancer token started to step on a negative pattern, with its worth diminishing continuously. The beginning of 2022 was hazardous for Balancer tokens as their costs stretched around $19.62. After more than a half year have passed since the crypto winter influenced the market, Balancer token is at present exchanging at $5.83 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $31,109,477. On the brilliant side, BAL is as yet developing, with its costs expanding by 8.73% as of now. Balancer token currently has a live market capital of $237,823,802, carrying it to number 123 on CoinCapMarket. Balancer has a most extreme inventory of 96,150,704 BAL coins and a coursing supply of 40,808,049 BAL coins. In this manner, given sufficient opportunity, odds are high that BAL will return quickly and remember its greatness days in the future. BAL token value estimate. Balancer token isn't similar to a typical token on the crypto market. Yet this token unquestionably has something exceptionally one-of-a-kind for its brokers. The token has been performing significantly since its send-off in June 2020. This is reasonable given the decentralized idea of the balancer trade that enables the hands of the partners. Be that as it may, before you choose to put your cash in balancer tokens, you should think about significantly more than just generosity. As a financial backer, you want to get the specialized and basic examination of the balancer token to pursue informed choices. So we should look at what the balancer token has on both specialized and principal grounds. Balancer token value expectation 2022, likely return for money invested, 11%. In 2022, Balancer token began the year with a worth of $19.62, and it would be reasonable to say the year has not been extremely perfect for the token. The new trepidation encompassing the crypto winter has cut down its costs further. Subsequently, 2022 draws in assorted cost expectations from various specialists. Balancer token value forecast 2023, possible return on initial capital investment, 44%. Trading Beast has a hopeful expectation for the Balancer token, foreseeing its cost to reach $6.85 toward the finish of 2023. PricePrediction.net predicts a more promising time to come for the token, proposing its worth will reach $15.41 by December of 2023. However, at that point, once more, experts from Wallet Investor foresee that the Balancer tokens will fall further underneath, arriving at a low of $1.03 by 2023. Balancer token value forecast 2024, expected return on initial capital investment, 104%. When we reach 2024, things will change for good for the Balancer token. Most specialists have a hopeful perspective on the future presentation of the token. Specialists from Trading Beast foresee the symbolics cost to become further and arrive at a worth of $9.24. PricePrediction.net predicts far superior possibilities for the token, recommending a stunning development, taking the symbolics worth to $23.28 toward the finish of 2024. At long last, Wallet Investor again has a going against view, proposing the cost of the Balancer token will fall further, arriving at a low of only 47 cents toward the finish of 2024. Balancer token value expectation 2025, likely return for money invested, 183%. 2025 gives Balancer sufficient opportunity to lick its injury and bounce on the recuperation boat to increment development. This becomes clear from the forecasts made by examiners at the Trading Beast, who recommend its cost will increment, arriving at a valuation of $11.39 by December 2025. PricePrediction.net has a considerably more hopeful expectation, with its figures recommending the Balancer token's cost go up to $33.49 during a similar period. Notwithstanding, Wallet Investor is here to go against again with its expectations, proposing a further destruction, taking its worth to a low of 83 cents toward the finish of 2025. Balancer token value expectation 2030, possible return for money invested, 13.24%. Each financial backer necessitates a drawn-out attitude toward a symbolics presentation to pursue educated and determined speculation choices. The uplifting news for those financial backers is